Hey everyone, welcome to Layla Would Slay the Holidays. And I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but regardless, let's just get the show on the road. So today we are going to be learning how to make the perfect hot chocolate. So all you need is some milk, your hot cocoa powder, and some utensils. Oh, and also make sure you have your kettle turned on for your boiling water. Now, before you click off thinking we're just making normal hot chocolate, I do add a little extra step and I want to share it with you guys. So grab a tablespoon. You're going to need 2 scoops of your hot cocoa powder. And make sure those spoons are heaping full, because we all love a chocolatey hot chocolate, duh. This is where the magic happens, so do not click off. Add a little bit of milk, but not too much, and start to stir. What you're going to be doing is you're making this weird kind of paste. You want to make sure all of the dry bubbles are out and mixed well. Doing this before you add the hot water will do something so friggin' magical, guys. Oh my gosh, just wait. Just wait until the end of the video. After stirring it all up and having this nice diarrhea paste in the bottom of your cup, now you are going to go grab your kettle and add some nice steamy hot water to it. And watch the top, watch. Wait. Oh shit, look at that foam. Add some milk to make it all creamy. And, ball gazer. Well, voila. Here it is, guys. The ultimate, perfect, easy how to make hot cocoa. Okay, well, anyways, subscribe, like this video, comment down below what you think, and hit the bell to be notified for next time I post. And I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye!